Two identical pages. Same HTML, same images, same code. One feels instant. The other. You already left. The only difference is the order the browser loaded things in, and there's a law that decides the right order. A page hits 3 moments. First, Contentful Paint, the first pixels. Largest Contentful Paint, the big thing, usually your hero image. And interaction ready, measured by FID, now INP, when taps actually respond.
They always fire in that order.
So your resources have to load in that order. Critical CSS and fonts for the paint. The hero for LCP. Your JavaScript for interaction, not a second before the browser needs it. Sounds obvious. It almost never happens. Because what you think is important and what the browser prioritizes are 2 completely different lists. Here's the counterintuitive one. Downloading 3 scripts at once feels faster. It isn't. The bandwidth just splits 3 ways, same total time. But download them one at a time, and the CPU can start on the first the moment it lands. Sequential can win. Then third parties, ads, analytics, chat widgets, dropped in with 0 regard for your sequence. And even when you do everything right, the platform fights back. A preload can jump the queue, and HTTP2 servers reorder your priorities anyway. Great. So let's fix the order, one resource type at a time. Starting with the fastest win. Critical CSS is the minimum styling the first screen needs. Don't link it, inline it, right in the HTML. No round trip, paint on the first response. Split it per route so each page only ships its own. But don't dump all your CSS inline. Too much bloats the HTML, and the parse itself delays the very paint you were trying to speed up. Fonts from another domain are slow to even reach. Preconnect opens the connection early, before you need the file. And inline the font CSS, so the browser discovers it immediately. A fallback font unblocks your text early, but when the real font lands and everything jumps, that's a layout shift. Speed on one metric, damage on another. Tune it, don't just toggle it. Split every image by the fold. Above the fold, what's on screen at load. Below the fold, everything you scroll to. Your hero image is your LCP, so size it, width and height, or the page reflows when it lands. Render a placeholder the exact same size on the server, and overlay the real image on top. Wrong size placeholder, and LCP just fires twice. Below the fold images? Lazy load them. If they fight your JavaScript for bandwidth, interaction gets delayed for pixels nobody is even looking at yet. Your own JavaScript decides when the page becomes interactive. So it starts loading before you're above the fold images, and it runs before any third-party script gets the main thread. The browser already ranks everything. CSS and fonts highest. A blocking script early in the page beats one requested after the first image. Async, defer, injected scripts lowest every time. And images in the viewport outrank images that aren't. Learn the ranking, then work with it. Async runs the instant it arrives, great for independent scripts, dangerous for anything that depends on order. Defer waits for the HTML to finish and keeps order. For most app code, defer is the safe default. 2 hints, constantly confused. Preload says, fetch this exact file now. Preconnect says, open a connection to that origin, so the fetch is instant later. Reach for preconnect on anything cross-origin, and go easy on preload. Overuse it, and you're hand-curating your whole waterfall. Here's a real-shaped page loaded badly. Critical CSS not inlined. Fonts discovered late. Ads running before your own code. LCP at 6.5 seconds.
Now, same page, same bytes, resequenced.
Critical CSS inline. Hero preloaded. Third parties pushed back. LCP 2.4. Nothing was deleted. It was just put in order. The target order, top to bottom. Tiny inline scripts, critical CSS, critical fonts, the LCP image, then fonts, non-critical CSS, your JavaScript, above the fold images, below the fold images, and lazy chunks, last. Third parties get sorted into 3 buckets. Before interaction, consent, auth, polyfills, they have to run first. After interaction, analytics, tag managers, ads as early as possible, but after your code. Lazy, chat, and social widgets, dead last. Most frameworks hand you exactly these priority levels. Use them instead of a bare script tag. Performance isn't only about smaller files.
It's about the order they arrive in.
Paint, then hero, then interaction. Line your resources up behind the moment they unlock. And a page that felt broken feels instant. Next time, how to split that JavaScript so it only loads when it's actually needed. Beyond code karma.